one of the CoLiDo colleague. First, we need to install the picture converter, which means you can convert the JPG picture to the STL file, and this is the install driver. You just double click to start install, and after you installed, you will find this, and this is a software which I installed already. Now I open. Okay. If you installed the software, you will see this one, and so we wait a little bit. Now we start load the picture. Because that I have another famous person's picture in the hand, so I just use his picture. And here I click, and here means open. Okay, it's here. And we already give some default settings, which we did test in our lab, and basically they are the best setting we have. You can also play with it in future if you like. And now we just export to STL. Example. Okay, now I repair first. It will take some time. Okay, after 3 minutes, the repair is finished, and now I need to turn it. The reason is you cannot let it flat on the platform. If you make it vertically, the detail of the face will be print very nice. Okay, and now I just use slicer. I take CoLiDo best, and then just slice with slicer. And then you can see the slice is finished. That means the STL file already been converted to G-code. Now I just save to file. Okay, then you can go to the, this is a G-code file. I have did the finished the slice, and then you can put it in, save it to the SD card, and then start print from SD card. Or you can also connect the printer from the USB cable, and then you are able to click the print from here directly. So I'm gonna show you how the printer print this file. This is I made in my lab. It's very nice, and the printer moves very fast. And then I'd like to show you the picture.